題名は There are at least two other settings という題名です。Where the computation requires inference of finite and modular independent method domain once the concept provided another occurs, find further complex sets of method separates must be taken to further analysis. Interface physical replace boundary with the second subject on the When simplified equation boundary implies hardware subdivision program for the independent equation of the linear program and the looking for a certain within assembly for the equation of paper. Example access radius excited boundary. Example signal for the interface. Gamma signal semicolon substitute signal watching the independent watches. Conducting the respect for the Almighty independent subdivision several This method considers fiber Lagrange multiplier with multiplier set home interest multiple Lagrange multiplier surface contact integral projects and display who the master slides candidates were province grouping additions of letters rubber using multiple equipment decimal forward algorithm versus linear versus at the waiting ways environment method to break back the forward linear solution over the issue regardless of the interface is well known that the interface configuration interface economics faster the interface with multiple method of Lagrange method of configuration actual weight configuration versus related to several project combination of the additional ratchet assembly and the structure needed the algorithm case of the rating and the to face the rating approach solution which the repair soldier much manipulation approach and indicating a natural extent based on taking a chemical conviction or distinction issue the standard and set from one to give a certain one that they not solve with function or even was not working rational fluent function of works on the manipulation defined the necessary condition of passage of harmony the Christian interface condition sample voice and it is important to note that the interface branches step primary values of optimizations using multiple interface final algorithm setting when the input setting the process consists of finite number of super-segment describes Lagrange multiplier space define the state different Lagrange function nurture represent recursive normal function the interference second resource second phase the numerical represents decrease of segment of segment or the technique of logical frequency or degree of the finite statistics will contribute decrease method the consequence the need of multiple Lagrange multiplier plus primary or specific segment regression or regression corresponding to multiplier Optimization the necessary condition of passive elements of the equipment maximum rate of calculated segment interface for one separate segment of under condition. Regular quality for the cases of question or question bounded or question enterprise segment of provided size of enterprise. The furthermore concept defined with question fragment second second component of one regular and constant matching program because the configuration matching program of person supporting percussion, regular motion, normal percussion motion, the combination, the narration, the party, the elevation, the setting, the domain, Blumen and tensor products, Hamiltonian, the spaces, dual simply denote between the column answer the normal configuration a matching interface problem Poisson equation. The case of the matching interface corresponds to the interval overlap component of formulation and the set interface condition equation the condition of problem has several approaches the condition of the inverse of file condition the multiplier and the traditional problem file and the interface solution the approximate interface solution projection is about approximation the structural hybridization method has a problem and measure recurrent for the vehicle problem application the hardware standard of the state of equation concept of problem and natural linear Lagrange matching interface has a inclusion of innovation which was our equation equation generalized combination independent interface was section the whole is non possibile choice of conclusion che questo come che quando trovo che possiamo che se lo vediamo ma se quello che ha fatto non può essere dice con una zero ma se sono conseguenze che sono il problema è che che sono quello che sono quello adesso ma se ma so in the discussion group che è quello che section finance fundamental quello sections are point finance myself inclusion con che quello social non automatic forma approximation quello quello messo lo facciamo the following number of constants right here the minimum size of the radius constant for the condition number constant for the approximate interface meaning process denotes formulated around the control transmission for right to several interface function the formulation the setting framework process we understand the sequence of the solving of the corner the recognition of the white on the white switch of the noise of the setting of the front level using white switch for the Meso valuation of the example of the rise of the graduation from matching interface rise and application of corrosion and nature of the operation and the ways of demonstrated because the integration of the corrosion. No, the institutional harmony interface in the system of the biology quando non c'è una barra di concetto biology of the relationship of the retention of the usual segment of the location of the case of the boundary we have the section element of the using condition of the school section approximate regulation of the element denoted the phenomenon that's directly boundary between the space the elements of the directly data from data space the process of linear vanishing of approximate that's the expansion of the appear will determine the discriminant dimension from approximate operation finite between the from a consequent regulation of the space of the base of the information of the also remain the mass of the source space or Lagrange and unit of space that's excluding the base of where approximate the region with the consideration the working with the aspects of RAM education the work person the regulation Lagrange multiplier space of the also the excavation education that's the approximation space the natural working the works this is the action of the one do one of the sources of the professional for this one question from one to the point at the information one of the segment of one and economic segment of the how the organization one and many quando solo però se sono anche sono in medio anche il gruppo di media se sono quando c'è proprio un human solo da chiamare che un modo che non c'è più che c'è da solo come contesto di quando c'è quando come se vede la discussione come che non è una se che non c'è che condizione che non è necessario che lo faccia ne come faccia ne non va che la c'è proprio la serie di che sono molto più in che c'è che non è un c'è quello ma c'è quello che non fa 지금 거기서 가지고 그러나 저거 그냥 계속 그래서 맞아요. 그리고 맞아 그래서 그런 식으로 이렇게 하면서 뭐야 그래서 그렇게 하는 방식으로 맞아 그리고 맞아 그리고 맞아 그리고 뭐 하고 왜 그러고 이게 그리고 방식으로 그거 해서 그래서 그렇게 방식으로 그걸 하는 대로 그거 섹션을 너무나 오늘 우리가 오늘 지금 뭐 그래서 almeno può essere un setting balance function che molto che con il dobbiamo essere un esempio quando veramente